Tonight, we can reveal that a brain surgeon whose work is the subject of a public inquiry in Scotland has said he worked at Walton Hospital in Liverpool for 4 years in the late 80s and early 90s. His name's Eljamel. He harmed dozens of patients and left some with life-changing injuries when he worked at the Ninewell Hospital in Dundee until his suspension in 2013. Now, campaigners and some MPs want the inquiry widened to the whole of the UK. Our health correspondent Jill Dubbigan's uncovered this. She's been looking into the story. So, Jill, just explain the background to this, because in Scotland this has been quite a long-running campaign, hasn't it?
It has, yes. Sam Eljamel was the head of the neurosurgery department at Ninewells Hospital in Dundee. He was there for 18 years before he was suspended and then resigned in 2014. He's now believed to be in Libya. Since then, police have received more than 100 complaints about his surgery. Many have said that he ruined their lives. Now, I spoke to the head of the patient campaign group, Jules Rose. She went to him in 2013 to get a brain tumour removed. Instead, she says he took out her tear gland.
We have patients that are bedbound. We have patients that are registered blind. We have patients that are incontinent. The devastation of these patients, with patients that are in wheelchairs, the chronic daily pain that they live with is unimaginable.
Now, there's been a long-running campaign to get a public inquiry in Scotland that officially launched last month. There's also a long-running police investigation. But one of the Scottish newspapers, the Sunday Post, is now reporting that Mr Eljamel has previously claimed he worked in Liverpool's neurological centre for 4 years between 1987 and 1991.
And that was at the Walton Hospital, Jill, in Liverpool. That became the Walton Centre, didn't it, after he left? What have they had to say?
Well, as you say there, the hospital he worked at no longer exists. This is 35 years ago. The Walton Centre is on a different site. It's a different trust. They sent us a statement saying that as far as they're aware, he didn't work there and they can't access any records about him. Records for the Walton Hospital would have actually been held by Aintree Hospital, but they say they don't have anything either. They would have all been paper records, of course. However, there are academic papers from the very early 1990s on the internet with Mr Eljamel's name on them, which give his place of work as the Mersey Regional Department of Medical and Surgical Neurology in Walton Hospital. So we know that at the very least, he claimed that he worked there. Now, the Liverpool Walton MP, Dan Carden, is calling for Scotland's inquiry to be expanded to all areas of the UK where Mr Eljamel worked. He says they need to identify failings and learn lessons.
Jill, thank you very much. Jill Dubbigan.